How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. In today's episode, we're going to hopefully be wrapping up the engine build. That includes putting in the more aggressive camshaft, then the chromoly upgraded push rods, finally bolting the cylinder head back on, putting the end cover on, and final preparations before the first start. Let's get started. Alrighty, so here are the parts that we are going to be using today. Obviously, we have here the more aggressive camshaft, the new head gasket, and these are the upgraded chromoly push rods. And if you compare them to the old ones, you can see how much thicker the chromoly ones are. So not only are they made out of a better material, but they withstand a lot more because they're a lot thicker, a lot stronger. So that's that. Now, when you're putting in this camshaft, because this is what we're going to be starting with, obviously here is your timing tab. That's what you got to line up with the crankshaft. So keeping that in mind, move over here, and right on this spline here, because that's where it locks into, it locks down inside that guide hole there. There is a little mark right there. That's what you want to line that hole up, or that dot up with, just like that. Actually, I'm going to pull that out. I'm just going to eyeball drop a little bit more oil down in there. Oh, perfect. Boop. So now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put the end cover on. So go ahead and take these out. Now, let's talk some head. Alright guys, so here is the beautiful head that we put together, and it's going to be a little tricky because I'm going to have to basically compress the valve springs as I do this. So I'm going to be pushing on it, trying to start a couple of the bolts to hold it. I'm just going to walk those bolts in, easing the pressure on so it's nice and even. That way when I get down to the alignment pins, I'm not tweaking or twisting anything. And then we're going to be torquing this down to about 17 foot-pounds. The head gets torqued down at 17 foot-pounds, and the side cover gets torqued down to 17 foot-pounds. So it's time to get Torquey. I got my adapter. Alright, so we're gonna go like this. I'm just gonna stick this down in the holes here and put her on that way. So I'll go ahead and feed those in, and whoop, well, that one really walked away. Put that in. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alrighty guys, and just like that, head is on, valve cover's on, side cover is on, everything's torqued to spec. That is a Predator 212cc build. Alrighty guys, so with that being said, I realized I forgot to film an outro, but pretty much that's going to be it for this section of the build, and then it's going to be first start up and focus on the chassis. So that's what's kind of coming up. If you got this far, I appreciate you sticking around. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends and stuff. We're here every Tuesday and Friday. So until then, until the next video, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.